Deep links and usage examples. How to create deep link for a chatbot in Smart Sender. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this tutorial you will learn how to create and set up deep links and see an example of how to use them on your own site or other channels. Like and subscribe to our channel. The first step, we need to go to the menu with deep link. Click in the menu Smart Messenger, Grow Tools, and here we choose our menu deep links. Let's start with what a deep link is. It is a link that instantly transfers a subscriber to a certain chatbot. That is by clicking on it, a person, for example, will immediately subscribe to your Facebook chatbot. This menu deep link is similar to any other menu of this constructor. Here we have a name of each other deep link separately. Here we can editing the name, for example, or you can copy this or you can delete this. If you want to create new deep link, click the button Create. Call it Lesson and continue. We go into menu this deep link. Click in the text Lesson. Create a deep link. In the help we choose what action the chatbot should perform. For example, let's subscribe a user to a funnel. Here we choose our funnel. It is maybe any funnel or another actions. Okay, subscribe to funnel. Choose the name, for example this. And on the left we have a special link that will launch this funnel for each channel separately. We can create many such links. For each funnel, they will be different with this symbol. Here. After equal. Let's copy one of these and see how it is work. For example, I copy the Telegram channel. I hope this funnel not empty. Go my Telegram. Click button Start, and I receive the message from my funnel. Back our menu. Here we can sign not just on funnel but many another action. We can add, for example, some variables here. Update your variable. You can add some text. That is, you make different settings depend on the logic of your scenario. And guys, we can add this link to absolutely any place. For example, we can add such a link to your signature in your mail or add additional buttons to your main site and put the link there, or just share it to send to your clients or friends via SMS. Okay guys. Now, let's see how to add a link to your website. I have mini site on Google site. And the first you need to understand, get people interested in subscriber. So, I will write on the site that all subscriber of the bot will receive new lesson instantly. My mini site just redirects to YouTube channel here, so it is concept it will fit. I add the text, click in the Add Text, write my text, okay. And next I add the button. I have 3 different buttons: Telegram, Chatbot, Facebook, and, for example, Viber. But we need to create a notification for subscription. And the next step, I come back to my chatbot and funnel, open new funnel and create some lesson and continue. Add the text. Here, text. Thank you for your choosing my video blog. I will send links to new lesson here. Okay. And publish. I come back my new deep link, delete this funnel and add a new. Subscribe to funnel, continue and choose my new funnel. This is lesson. This funnel. To put in a link to the site, I recommend copy the account link, this link. The first I need to call my bottom, it is Telegram. Copy and paste name. Copy second link, back my site and it is link for. Now don't want this link, okay, I copy the first link. Back. Yep. Button 1 and add next bottom, it is Facebook. Copy link Facebook and this. Okay, I have two bottom. It's possible to change the color. Oh, okay, not here. Okay, doesn't matter. And add next. Maybe. Okay, Viber. Okay. And copy this link. Okay. And we have 3 bottom. Yeah, okay. Publish. And publish. Okay. And now copy my link and go here and I choose one bottom, for example Telegram. Open Telegram and click the button start. Thank you for your choosing my video blog. I will send link to new lessons here. Okay guys, today you learn how to create deep links to subscribers to different chatbot. What could be the usage scenarios? Like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new lesson. See you soon guys.